weather service in Mount Holly issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, northern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Willingboro, or 13 miles east of Philadelphia, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Bensalem, Willingboro, Lumberton, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Riverside, Bordentown, Beverly, Tullytown, Pemberton, Wrightstown, Florence Roebling, Six Flags Theme Park, Jacksonville, Georgetown, Cassville, Woodruff, and Cedar Glen Lakes. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 5 and 7A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 358 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 35 and 39. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 13 and 19. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 39 and 57. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following county: Bucks, Pennsylvania, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Monmouth, and Ocean. The current time